Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. And I believe you'll be inspired to join this amazing family after watching the video till the end. So, family, I want to share with you today my simple crunchy puff puff or Bofrot recipe, and I hope you'll be inspired to try this recipe out. Without further ado, sit back and relax as I take you through my simple puff puff or Bofrot recipe. I love it crunchy and I hope you like it too. So without further ado, let's begin. Into the bowl, I'm adding 2 teaspoonfuls of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Now start to mix everything together, and after that, you put that aside and let it prove, okay? So cover it up with a cling film or any bowl cover. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and by that time, it should be proving. So now let's add into our bowl half cup of fresh whole milk and half cup of evaporated milk, and they should all be room temperature, okay? If not, then warm it a little bit, okay? Now into a separate bowl again, I'm adding 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. I'm sifting it in case there are any lumps, they'll be taken out, okay? And as you all can see, there was no lumps in there. I'm adding half a cup of flour more, yeah? And then I'm adding sugar, half cup of sugar, and 3/4 of milk powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and a little amount of salt, say about 1/4 of a teaspoon full. Okay, stir to mix them well together, and after that we will add our wet ingredients. And I've got vanilla essence. Let me first create a well in the middle of the flour, just like this. So next, let's add our yeast, and having the foam on top of the yeast tells it all that it's been proven or activated. We're going to add our warm or room temperature milk, both whole milk and evaporated milk. I'll add them gradually and not at the same time, okay? And I'm adding my melted butter, which is about 1.5 tablespoonful, and now my vanilla essence. Now stir to mix everything together. I didn't add all of the milk at once because of the consistency I want to achieve. Yeah. Now looking at the way things are going, I'll still need to add all of the milk. Yeah. So here it is. Mix again to combine everything beautifully and nicely together. What I'm trying to achieve is to make a crunchy puff puff or buffroot and not too wet kind of buffroot. Okay. Now let's cover it up and leave it in a warm place for about an hour for it to rise, to double up or to triple up, okay? About an hour later, we are back and you all can see that it's double up and it's looking all good. We're going to use our whisk or our hand to beat the air out, just like this. We do not need all the air pockets in our batter, okay? So family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, okay? And don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. So after beating all the air from the butter, you should be able to get this consistency, okay? You should be able to throw and catch the butter like this. This is so cool. So guys, let's fry our puff rolls or puff puff. Now into my pan, I'm adding olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? And once it's heated, I will then scoop and drop in my butter to make my puff puff or fruit, just like this. And we are getting there, guys. So don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up if you like the video and the recipe, okay? And don't forget to try this recipe out. Bring me the feedback and I'll really appreciate it. If it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. And I would love to have you here on the channel, so please subscribe to join this amazing family, okay? Family? This is so beautiful. Just the way I like my puff puff or Bofrot. It's so crunchy and amazing. I love the color. It's not burnt. It's rich, golden brown, and I can't wait to take a bite. Again, we're going ahead to fry the second batch, and into the oil we add our drops of butter to make our Bofrot. Hmm, it smells amazing too. I love the vanilla flavor, that of the nutmeg powder. Ooh, this is so amazing. And it's indeed a must try recipe. Family, it's a must try recipe. Very soon we should be done and tasted with. And amazing. Look at that. So crunchy. And I'm loving everything so far. Family, I hope you've been inspired to try this recipe out. It's amazing. This is how I like my puff puff or buff fruit. I love them crunchy. And I don't know about you, but I hope you try this out and you love the texture. Mhm. This is so beautiful. It smells so amazing. Thank you all for watching. Please follow me on Instagram for more videos like this. Like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on TikTok for more updates. So now let's see how it looks from the inside. And it's amazing. I love the flavor, guys. This is a must try. The texture is so cool and it's not too oily as that. Everything is so on point. And family, you need to also try my sweet rock buns recipe. Yeah, the video is on my channel playing. Check it out and you'll be amazed. Thank you all for watching till this point. Stay blessed, guys. Enjoy. Bye, all. Kiss. Mwah.